Good morning, fourth grade scientists. Today I'm going to tell you what you were going to be doing for science. But first, I know some of you really want to know what some of those sounds were, so I'm going to give you the answers. A lot of you had some really good guesses, a lot of you did really well, so I'm proud of you for using your ears to listen. So the first one you heard was a camel. The second one was a bike bell. I would have taken bell too, that's fine. Number 3 was not somebody snoring, it was a cat purring. And then number 4 was an alarm bell. Number 5 was actually somebody scribbling, like scribbling on paper. Number 6, you heard a splash and then someone, it obviously sounded like someone was swimming. Number 7, this one was really tricky. A lot of you said chipping glass or breaking glass or stepping on glass. It was actually the sound of somebody chopping wood. Number 8 was an egg on a frying pan. I would have taken cooking or something on a fryer or something related. Number 9 was a helicopter. And then number 10 was a zipper. So those are your answers from yesterday. Good job to those of you who got it right. I will be looking today to see who earned that badge. So make sure if I miss you, you let me know. Today, or kind of this week, we did yesterday's activity to kind of get us warmed up. This week is all going to be about sound waves. So how we are hearing things. So what our focus is how we represent waves of the same type and how they differ in the height of the wave and the wavelength, which means the spacing between the wave peaks. And as we go on, you'll understand what those words mean. I hope for today's assignment that you are able to identify maybe what amplitude or wavelength actually means and what it has to do with sound. So you are going to be discovering more about wave sounds and learning how we communicate with them. Obviously, I'm talking to you right now, you're hearing me. So obviously a sound wave is coming to you and you're hearing my voice from however you're listening to it. If you're hearing it in your earphones, if you're hearing it just from your iPad, regardless of what you're doing, if you're hearing it, a sound wave is coming to you. So your task today, you are going to go to Epic, and I have sent you a collection called Sound Waves, and there are, I believe, 3 books on sound waves. You're going to choose one of those books, read it completely, all the way. This assignment should take you longer than 10 minutes, okay? And then you are going to go over to Seesaw and do a book talk. So I'm going to flip it around and we are going to talk about the book talk. All right, so this is what your Sound Waves book talk assignment looks like. So it is titled Sound Waves Book Talk, April 22nd. I already went over the first part, so now I am going to go over what you need to do when you are explaining what you read. So today, rather than me reading it and giving you all of the learning, you are going to give me the learning that you learn about sound waves. So from one of those books, you have a few options of what you can talk about. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to give me what you read. So at the top here on your template, you're going to click on this template, you're going to put what the title was and then the author, and then you're going to post the cover of the book in that spot. Then, using the microphone tool, we're not writing it out or anything. You can either video yourself or you can video your sound talking about these things. You have to choose at least 3 of the things below to talk about. Okay, so what was this book mainly about? And don't just tell me sound waves. Give me some more. Give me maybe sound waves is going to be the main idea of all 3, but give me some more in depth. Tell me, what did you learn from the book? You could tell me 3 interesting facts from the book. What kinds of text features did you see? How did they help you understand what was going on? What new words did you learn would be great for you to add. And then why do you think the author wrote this book? So you're going to choose 3 of those things to include in your microphone talking to discuss. Okay? At least 3. And using the microphone tool. Use the text tool for the book you read and written by, and then screenshot a picture of your book in that spot. The last thing, if you include all of the options in your voice recording, you will earn the Brilliant Book Talker badge. So you have a chance to earn another badge today. I cannot wait to hear some of the things that you learn. Have a good day, scientists.